Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to replace video clips in the Canva timeline. So I'm going to show you a quick way to do this. So you might think that you have to click on a video, delete it, then add your video in. So I'm going to show you a quicker way to do that. So on the left hand side, you're going to upload the new video clip you want to replace, or you can use the videos that are available in Canva. So say I want to add in this fire video and I want to replace it with this video. All I need to do is click on it, take it over to the timeline, hover it over the other video and release, and it replaces the old video with the new video. So that's it. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.